BitFlyer NFT Marketplace app. The pros, the cons. The BitFlyer NFT Marketplace app brings NFT functionality to one of Japan's most established crypto exchanges. Most people get this wrong by thinking BitFlyer is only for crypto trading, but the surprising truth is that it now offers NFT storage, browsing, and basic trading features. On the pros side, the app benefits from BitFlyer's strong security protocols, including two-factor authentication and encrypted storage. Users can fund NFT purchases from their existing BitFlyer accounts and explore a curated selection of NFTs. The platform is user-friendly, making it simple for newcomers to start collecting and managing NFTs safely. On the cons side, BitFlyer's NFT marketplace is smaller than global platforms, and advanced trading features such as auctions or detailed analytics are limited. Transaction fees can be higher for smaller trades, and the selection of NFTs may not satisfy collectors looking for wide variety. In conclusion, the BitFlyer NFT Marketplace app is ideal for users seeking a secure and reliable environment to manage NFTs within a trusted exchange. While it lacks extensive collections and advanced trading tools, its security, integration, and ease of use make it a strong choice for beginner and casual collectors.